We had started with exercise 8.3 and we have done till question number 4. Question number 5, I said we will do once we discuss the rest of the formulae related to selling price and cost price. But I would like to give you an idea. I would just discuss the statements for question number 5 and question number 6. And then we will go to the formulae and then we will do the sum. So question number 5 here is, I bought a TV for 10,000 rupees. So when you buy something, the money that you pay is the cost price. आपने जितने का टीवी बाय किया, that will be the cost price of the TV. So this is the CP. And then profit is given as 20%. Profit is given to be 20%. Then they are asking how much money do I get for it. So टीवी खरीदा मैंने 10,000 का, उस पे 20% प्रॉफिट बनाकर उसको मैंने बेच दिया. तो आपको बताना है कि मुझे कितनी मनी मिली. कितनी मनी मिली मींस फॉर व्हाट प्राइस डिड आई सेल इट. I paid 10,000 for it, but how much did I get when I sold it? So last part of the question means you have to find the selling price. This is very important to understand what's given and what you want to ask. First of all, looking at the first part of the statement, I buy something for this amount. That will be the cost price when you buy something. You pay the money, that will be the cost. प्रॉफिट उन्होंने क्लियरली बताया 20% हुआ और उसके बाद वो चीज बेच दी गई. तो बेचने के बाद पर्सन को कितनी मनी मिली, दैट विल बी द सेलिंग प्राइस. You have to find out the selling price in this case. And then let's look at question number 6 now. Juhi sells a washing machine for 13,500 rupees. Now this is the price for which she sold the washing machine. So 13,500 here is the selling price. And she loses 20% in the bargain. जब उसने वो deal की है उसमें उसको loss हुआ. कितना loss हुआ है? 20%. And then they are asking what was the price at which she bought it. उसने कितने price की buy की थी. So that means you have to find out the cost price. Now you can see the difference in the two questions. आपके पास किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए दो वैल्यूज होंगी, कॉस्ट और सेलिंग प्राइस. इनमें से अगर एक भी मिसिंग है और साथ में हमें क्या दिया हुआ है, प्रॉफिट परसेंट दिया हुआ है और लॉस परसेंट दिया है, वन ऑफ द टू, इनमें से एक चीज दी है, सीपी या फिर एसपी दिया है, एंड you are given either the profit percent or the loss percent. So then how do we work? तब हम कैसे काम करेंगे? This is what we are going to now learn. You will be given one of the two things, either the cost price or the selling price. उसके साथ आपको या profit percent दिया होगा या loss percent दिया होगा. CPSP में से एक चीज, profit percent और loss percent में से एक चीज, और आपको CP और SP में से दूसरी चीज find करनी है. There are now two ways to do the questions. First of all, I will go to the formula that I have and then we will write down. So we already have done these formulae where we learned how to find out the profit if selling price and cost price are given. Then loss can also be calculated this way. We did this in the first question. Then we also learned how to convert that profit or loss. We calculated into percentage. Now, if the profit or loss is given in percentage, if you look at question number 5th and question number 6th, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में जो प्रॉफिट दिया है वो परसेंटेज में दिया है, क्वेश्चन 6 में जो लॉस दिया है वो परसेंटेज में दिया है, लेकिन आप परसेंटेज को रुपीस वाली वैल्यू के साथ कंबाइन नहीं कर सकते. यूनिट्स आई वुड से डिफरेंट हो गए हैं. कॉस्ट रुपीस में दी है, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज में दिया है. द यूनिट्स मस्ट बी सेम. हम क्या करेंगे, जो प्रॉफिट परसेंट है उसको प्रॉफिट रुपीस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक आई थिंक लास्ट टाइम आई वाज राइटिंग दिस एग्जाम्पल, अ पर्सन बॉट अ कार फॉर 70,000 रुपीज एंड देयर वाज अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 20% एंड देन ही सोल्ड इट. चलो हम उसकी बात नहीं करते, लेकिन अगर मुझे बताना हो रुपीज में उसको प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ, दिस प्रॉफिट राइट नाउ इज इन परसेंटेज. I want to find out how much profit the person made in rupees, exact amount. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस 20% वाले प्रॉफिट को सीपी के साथ कंबाइन करेंगे. दिस शुड ऑलवेज बी द सीपी. चाहे आप प्रॉफिट कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो, चाहे आप लॉस कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो, ये सिर्फ सीपी की हेल्प से पॉसिबल है. अगर आपको सीपी नहीं पता, आप कन्वर्जन नहीं कर सकते. If you do not know the cost of anything, you cannot convert that profit or loss given in percent to rupees value. So this is something very important. ये होना बहुत जरूरी है अगर आप प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज को रुपीज में फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो. Once you have converted that, like for example over here, because मेरे पास कार की कॉस्ट थी, मैं उसको रुपीज में कन्वर्ट कर सकती हूँ अपने प्रॉफिट परसेंट को. This we did in the last exercise 8.2 में हमने ये कन्वर्ट करके सॉल्व किया था. So you can just simply solve. It comes out to be 14,000. उसको कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ? 14,000 रुपीज प्रॉफिट हुआ. 20% means 14,000 rupees, and now I can tell for how much the person sold it. उसने 70,000 की चीज खरीदी और उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ 14,000 का. तो how much will be the selling price?
84,000.
84,000 rupees. This is how we can work. अगर लॉस होता तो हम प्राइस कम कर देते, लॉस होता तो हम माइनस कर देते, बट प्रीवियस स्टेप्स यही रहते. एक तरीका ये है. नाउ यू कैन सी देयर आर एक्चुअली टू स्टेप्स. देयर इज स्टेप नंबर 1 व्हेन वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट प्रॉफिट इन रुपीस, and then step number 2 where we find out the selling price. Combined these two steps give you this formula. ये जो स्क्रीन पे आपके फॉर्मूला आपको नजर आ रहा है, where it's written SP in rupees, this can be calculated using this formula. अगर मैं जो वैल्यूज मुझे दी हुई हैं मैं यहाँ पे पुट करूं, let us see what will it be. I'll just simply CP for the car, the example that I have taken, this is 70,000 multiplied by, in the brackets I will have 100 plus how much is profit percentage from the
20.
example 20. And if you look at the note below, जब हमने कैलकुलेशन करनी है परसेंट का साइन नहीं डालना, फॉर्मूले में लिखना है, लेकिन जब आपने वैल्यू लिखनी है सिर्फ 20 लिखना है, 20 के साथ परसेंट नहीं लगाना, वो नीचे 100 ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ है. And then you will have denominator 100. Let's solve 70,000 multiplied by, what will the bracket give you?
120.
In the denominator you had 100. Solve this. 0 will get cancelled. This 0 gets cancelled. What will be the answer?
700 multiplied 12 is equal to 84,000.
84,000. Now, can you see the answer was obtained in one step? Compared to what I did on the side, step 1 and step 2, I have directly used the values in this formula and I get the answer in, yes, Bhavleen, that's correct. So I get the answer
And the
directly.
method you have done from green color is easy.
Yes, it becomes easy. Now I will be doing the question with both methods. हम दोनों methods use करेंगे, ठीक है. एक बात का ध्यान रखना है, जब प्रॉफिट है तो प्लस का साइन है बीच में, और जब लॉस है तो बीच में माइनस का साइन है. बाकी सारा कुछ सेम है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे एसपी एसपी है, इक्वल्स टू सीपी सीपी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस ब्रैकेट थिंग, और ब्रैकेट के अंदर आपके पास ऑलमोस्ट आइडेंटिकल चीजें हैं. डिनोमिनेटर 100 है, बस अगर हम प्रॉफिट परसेंट यूज कर रहे हैं तो प्लस लगेगा, और अगर हम लॉस परसेंटेज यूज कर रहे हैं तो माइनस लगेगा. यस भव्या?
मैम अगर हमने सीपी फाइंड करनी हो फिर
तो हम इसको इक्वेशन बना लेंगे. सीपी की जगह पे सीपी रहने देंगे, उसको एज इट इज रहने देंगे, एसपी पुट कर देंगे. देन ये जो ब्रैकेट है, ये वाली जो ब्रैकेट्स है ना, इसको ट्रांसपोज कर दोगे आप दूसरी तरफ.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस पलक?
मैम हम फर्स्ट वाला मेथड यूज करेंगे या सेकंड वाला?
We will be doing it with both. First, I will explain both to you. Then you can decide which you want to do in exam. I will make you
Okay.
write both. दोनों लिखेंगे हम. ठीक है?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Achyut?
Ma'am, today's test is on Google Classroom.
Yes. I will see if I can show you the class. Wait a minute. This is the class that I created in the beginning. So if you log into Google Classroom and you will see this class.
And yes, ma'am, Mathematics 7th here.
So this is the class that you will see and you will find your test right here. I had posted the tests before the first term. So right now you have the tests here and you can just do it. Revision will be done here. I don't know about your exams. So exams maybe will be in the classroom which your class teacher made. Okay? एग्जाम्स आपके वहां पे होंगे जो क्लास टीचर मैम आपके क्लासरूम बनाए हुए हैं जिनने जो मैंने रिवीजन करानी है दिस विल बी हियर सो मेक श्योर व्हेन यू लॉग इनटू गूगल क्लासरूम you can see this class mathematics 7th A. I have changed the name. Earlier it was 7th A simply, so I've changed so that it's easier to you identify for you. Anyone who has not joined, let me know more. I think we have all the students here. There are actually more than the strength. 58 students are there. That's why I was asking about the email addresses you're using. I will be removing the students. So I will remove the students who are appearing twice, like Bhavleen. I think I asked for her ID, then for Gurleen and Gursahaj. So you logged once with some other email address and then you logged in again or joined again with second email address. That's why it's happening like this. So I will keep the one which you are using right now for other classes.
मैम
मैम वो पहले मैम ने
Yes,
कहा था कि
Gurshan.
आपने कोई
Yes,
ईमेल
Gurshan.
आईडी से
मैम
ज्वाइन
जो
करो
आपने
मैम
गूगल
उसके बाद हमें
लैपटॉप
मैसेज
से
आया था कि 7A MGN नाम से आईडी बनाओ तो मैम
Okay.
इसलिए कईयों की 2 आईडीज हैं.
Okay, Achyut. Okay. Yes,
मैम
Gurshan,
जो
you were
हमने
asking.
लैपटॉप से मैम मैंने लैपटॉप से गूगल क्लासरूम ज्वाइन करनी हो तो मैम उसमें से काम कैसे डालते हैं लैपटॉप से उस पर
Beta, you will have to attach your phone to your laptop via USB
Okay, ma'am.
cable. Then you can attach,
Okay.
or there is one more option. You could, send the file that you want to attach to yourself or to somebody like your mom or your dad on WhatsApp, and then you can open WhatsApp on laptop and download from there. Like there are 2-3
Okay,
ways.
ma'am.
Yeah, you can do that also.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's write down. Make sure you are having your book right with you. So this is question number 5 here. I'm going to use first method. That's correct, Sahaj, but I've seen the answer. Bhavleen has also calculated. I think by now you must have done it, but I would like to do it with the class. So first of all, write down what's given to you. So we have been given the cost price of TV as 10,000 rupees. And then we have been given profit percent as 20. We have to find out the selling price of TV. So this is what we will do when we want to find out profit or loss in rupees. The profit percent or loss percent will be combined with the CP. So 20% of 10,000. let's use the values here. You have the CP as 10,000 multiplied by, in the brackets, 100 plus 20. In the denominator, you have 100. This is your answer. It looks like the second method is shorter and the answer is obtained in one step. And
Yes, ma'am.
I usually prefer working with the second one.
Excuse me,
Write it
मैम
down and let me know. Yes, Bhavya.
मैम मुझे सेकंड मेथड अच्छे से समझ नहीं आया.
Beta, second method actually is the combination of these two. The steps that we have here, step 1 and step 2, it's the combination of the two formulae that we have. I will just explain and let me know if it makes sense to you. So, agar hame selling price nikalna ho, this is what I need to do. I need to add the cost price and the profit. And these two must be in rupees. सीपी भी रुपीस में होना चाहिए और प्रॉफिट भी रुपीस में होना चाहिए, राइट? बट अगर मैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन देखती हूँ तो मेरा जो प्रॉफिट है वो रुपीस में नहीं है, इट्स इन परसेंट. तो
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आर्यन, is anyone else having the same problem? Am I not audible?
मैम यू आर ऑडिबल.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Aryan, try to see if the network is proper. Find a place where you have proper network.
मैम वाईफाई आ रहा है. मैं दोबारा रीजॉइन कर लूं?
Yes, reconnect कर लो.
Okay, मैम.
So we want to add the CP and the profit, but both of these should be in rupees. Right now, the problem is that CP is already in rupees, which is 10,000. So इसमें problem नहीं है. Problem है profit में. Profit मुझे दिया हुआ है percentage में. So इसको convert करने के लिए what I want to do is I would like to combine it with the CP. जो मैंने step 1 किया है. This is step 1. And this actually is step number 2. So if I write it together, if I just write it together, I hope this will, just make sense. Let's see.
मैम ये जो आपने step 2 लिखा मैम वो हमने लिखना है.
Method 2?
मैम yes,
Yes,
method 2
you
में
have to
step
write
2.
down. You have to write down. Don't write this. This is like I'm just explaining to Bhavya.
मैम yes, मैम यही पूछ रहा था.
No, not this one. This is like rough. I'm just explaining. So step is to find out profit in rupees. That's step number 1. And then you have to add that answer with your CP to obtain the selling price. That's step number 2. If I combine the two steps together, so this is what it will look like. I want to add 10,000 with 20% of 10,000. This is what it becomes. So if I simplify it further, now this is something you have not done till now. I will still, just go over and write down. Now I want you to apply distributive property, which you did in first chapter. First chapter आप करके आए हो integers का, and you learned how to use distributive property. First value here can be written as 10,000 multiplied with 1. And if you observe, the two products have 10,000 in common. Is that correct?
Yes,
जो फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट है उसमें भी आपके पास 10,000 आ रहा है, जो सेकंड प्रोडक्ट है उसमें भी 10,000 आ रहा है. उस 10,000 को मैं कॉमन ले लेती हूँ और ये बन जाएगा आपके पास इस तरह से. फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट 1 रह जाएगा और दूसरे प्रोडक्ट में से 20 over 100 रह जाएगा. इन द सेकंड ब्रैकेट, इफ आई टेक द LCM, if I take the LCM, I'm not going for cutting, I'm just taking the LCM. तो आपका ये फॉर्मूला बन गया, चेक करो.
yes, ma'am.
So this is the combination of the two steps done into one single step. Rather than doing two steps, we just do one step. It looks like one step, but this is actually a combination of those two. वो कंबाइन करके उन्होंने सिंप्लीफाइड सा एक वे दे दिया आपको. अगर आप इसमें वैल्यूज पुट करते हो तो डायरेक्टली आंसर आ जाएगा. Make sure your mics are muted, please.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Anyone else who's writing down method 1, method 2, both?
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Bhavya, is it clear now what I'm trying to explain here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse, ma'am.
Yes, Pavleen?
Ma'am, it is important to write both methods.
Yes, I will suggest that you write both methods in case you are given a question or you find some book in which first method is used, whereas you had done the question with second one, you might find it confusing. So you should be aware that two methods hote hain, especially when you're revising. Whenever you are revising, whoever is teaching you, aapke tutor hain ya aapke parents hain, or your siblings, elder brother, sister, whoever is helping you with your studies, you can just show the methods to them and they can, explain to you. And then you can practice accordingly, whichever is comfortable or convenient to you. And beta, it's personal preference. हो सकता है कईयों को first easy लगे और कईयों को second easy लगे. It's personal preference, but do write down once. एक बार जरूर लिख लो. In case आपको कोई पूछ ही ले बेटा, can it be done in some other way? Then you should be aware कि yes, there is another way to do it.
One easy है, but ma'am two छोटा है तो.
Yes, I know that. I know that. I understand. And even I prefer the second one. Okay, now let's take a look at question number 6. Question number 6, I already discussed what we have here. Juhi sold a washing machine for 13,500. Now we have the selling price and she loses 20% in the bargain. So you are given the loss percentage here. And you need to find out at what price did she buy it. So you want to find out the cost price. Now compared to the previous question, this does not have the cost price. So cost price अगर given नहीं है तो हम ये जो profit या loss percent होता है इसको rupees में convert नहीं कर सकते. Profit या loss percent को rupees में convert करने के लिए it's very important that you need the CP. CP के बिना उसको rupees में बदला नहीं जा सकता. So अगर मेरे पास CP नहीं है तो ये loss percent को मैं rupees में बदल नहीं सकती. तो method 1 use करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. But still there is a way out. What I can do is I can start by assuming the cost price as X. You remember using simple equations? जब आपके पास कोई वैल्यू मिसिंग होती है और आपको उसको यूज करना है अपने क्वेश्चन में, what we do is we give it a name. So method 1, CP, it's not given to me. So I'm going to write down, let it be X rupees. And then I have been given loss percent. Let me just quickly see, loss percent is 20%.
Me method 2 से नहीं हो सकता.
You can do it. Yes, you can.
Okay.
By the time, yes, do it with method number 2. I will help you write down the statement here. CP of washing machine. This is not given to me. Then I have been even given the loss percent, which is 20. And then I have been given the selling price of the washing machine. Write the formula very carefully. So SP is given by CP multiplied by 100 minus loss percent over 100. Put your values, whichever you have. Now this time the selling price is 13,500. This is not given. So let it be as such. Or for convenience, what I can do is I can say that this is x and then write x here. Now solve. So I will be taking these two and transposing these. Simplify. I'm dividing by 4. 12, 3s are 12, then 2s are 8, and then 5. I think 3325 multiplied by 5.